Girl, this quick crochet hack is probably one of my favorite hair hacks of all time. This is going to save you so much time, at least an hour, maybe more. So you can use any kind of pre-looped crochet hair with this. Today I'm using the Harlem 125 brand Kima Braid Boho Goddess Locs in 22 inches in color T1B27. Okay, so let's start with our braid pattern. You're going to section off the front of your hair and clip that up. Then, working from the back, you're going to part your hair into rows, and each row you're going to divide into 2 halves. Now, we're not going to see any of this, so you don't have to worry about it being pretty or your parts being straight or any of that. Grab some braid gel, and you're going to make a braid out of each half of the row. We want to use a lot of braid gel to have a really sturdy, stiff braid. And make sure your braids are off to the side, as close to the edge as possible. When you get to the front, you're going to divide that front section into squares. How many squares depends on your own preference. You're going to braid each individual square, but you're going to connect them going back so that the front square braid connects to the braid behind it. Then you're going to connect all those little braids to 2 braids on the side, just like the rows behind. Okay, so now we're going to grab a beading tool. You're going to take your pre-looped crochet, put it through the beading tool and slide it all the way down. Put your braid through the hole of the beading tool and fold it in half. And then you slide those crochet loops up onto the braid and pull it through. Then bring the 2 sides of the braid in that row together, attach them with an elastic, and there's your row. Do that all the way up. Then when you get to the top, you're going to do a traditional crochet method on each of those little squares. You're going to grab a crochet hook, slide it underneath the braid while the hook is open. Then you put the loop through the hook, you close the latch, and then you pull it through the braid. Then you release the hook, and then using your fingers, you're going to grab the other side of the lock and pull it through the loop to tighten. Do that all the way around the front. A little bit of edge control. I like some root spray just to mask some thinness in those front squares, and there she is.